Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on this video. If you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So here we've got two different ways which will allow us to change the video resolution, sorry. We've got it notified right here. So if you want to, you can simply tap on those options in order to change the resolution. We've got 8K, 720, 1080 and 4K. We've got also the frames per second, 60, 24 and 30. It's up to you. However, if you want to actually see all available options, unroll the top bar, and as you can see there we've got the frame rate and the resolution. Simply tap on the resolution. As you can see, we've got 4 different options which I've mentioned before, and we've got also the frame rate which you can change right here. So it's up to you which option, which way of changing the resolution is more comfortable for you. Whenever you've got something applied right here, visible right here, for example the 4K, it means that the option has been applied, and from now on my device will record videos in 4K. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.